Hey, what's going on, everybody? This is Alan Anthony from Phone Tech at Work, and today we're doing an unboxing of my first case for the Samsung Galaxy Z Flip 7. This is a silicone ring case from Samsung. So let's start the video, show you what I'm talking about. Pow. Alright guys, so here we have my first case for the Samsung Galaxy Z Flip 7. Big shout out to them for having that pre-order bonus, so I actually got this for free. So if you guys can see from here, we have the ring case, Z Flip 7. I just want to show you guys how the quality is, how it fits on the device, and if you guys are interested in checking it out, is it worth it? I think as far as the retail price, it's over $50, I believe, but you could probably get it on sale. But as far as the filling in hand, this is a soft plastic. Alright, it's a soft plastic. Sound like it almost cracked, but as you can see, it has this ring over here, so you can have a nice hold on your device. And as far as the top of the device, you do have these little tabs here, so you can peel it off, and then it actually sticks onto the device a little bit better, so it doesn't fall off. If you guys never had a flip device, as far as these little cases, they actually slide out easily, so that's the reason why they have this little tabs here, so you pull them off. But as far as the filling on the back, it does have a nice little matte feeling, soft texture, but it is plastic, as you can see. As far as the bottom versus the top, I definitely prefer this right here. But as you can see, we have the Samsung logo. It looks pretty good. Let me turn up the ISO for this one. As you can see, Samsung looks pretty good. It keeps its thin profile, and you don't have a cover for the hinge, but I think that it matches pretty well, as you can see from here. And then if you want to hold your device like that, you can, just like here. I just unboxed the device, so it's not fully set up yet, but as you can see, this is exactly what it looks like. Pretty thin. Can it work as a kickstand? Probably so, but if you have a flip, you know what to do. You just need to just have it like that if you really want your phone to just stand up. But as far as the lip protection, as you can see, raised up a little bit here. As far as the front, not really much when it comes to lip protection. I will have more cases on the way. I got some from Spigen, iBlazin, UAG, a couple other companies. So just subscribe to the channel if you haven't already. Let's see how it looks with the screen on for the front screen. Does it help when it comes to that camera? Very minimal. It almost seems like it raises up just a little bit, but you shouldn't have no problem. So if you guys want to buy this case, the link will be down below. If you guys like this video, hit it with a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel if you haven't already, and follow Phone Tech at Work for more videos like this of the Samsung Galaxy Z Flip 7 and more tech to come. Peace and love. I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace.